Kids, this is Susan and I'm out here in the woods today and I'm searching for mushrooms. I'm here with my daughter Abigail and we think we found our first mushroom. Look at this. We believe that it is a fringed polypore. Yeah, look at that. Wow. They grow in the spring. Yes. Hello, this is Susan again, and I think we found our second mushroom. It looks like this might be a purple tooth. There's got some green coloring and then white on the outside, if you can see that. Wow, how exciting. Hi kids, we're back again, and look, we found another mushroom. This one is called the birch polypore. Yes, and it comes out of the winter nice and black, and then it will turn white as it keeps on growing. Isn't that exciting? Wow, I can't wait to find more. Hey, I'm so excited. I found some more mushrooms down here growing on a branch that's under the ground. Look at that. I believe that these are artist conch because I would love to paint them, seeing that I love to paint on mushrooms. Woohoo! I hope they grow bigger so I can paint you someday.